Hello and welcome to a little tutorial on how to add audio to the homepage of the Masterworks website. After you've logged in, you'll have an edit button up here. So on the homepage, we'll just say edit page. It'll take us to the editor there. And now that I'm here, I think we want to insert the audio maybe right below the slideshow and before all the text. So I'm going to insert my text there. And then I'm going to go to the Add Media. And let's say you've already uploaded it. Let's say we'll do the Roving Sea Chanty. This is the important part over here where it says embed the link. You can embed the media player, which is the built-in one that WordPress has that doesn't have a lot of control, or we can just do a link to the media file, which will allow us to use our new plugin. So I'm going to change that to link to media file, and I'm going to copy this while I have it there, and I'm going to insert into page, and there it is. Now if I want to edit that, I can highlight it, and there's this new little button over here to modify the audio player. So I have some choices here if you want to change. It will put all these things in by default, but if you want to change any of them, you can. You can put the title there. You can say what the width is. Maybe we want it to be a little bit wider, maybe 80%. What the starting volume is. We want to go ahead and check to start it playing on page load. You probably don't want to loop the sound, but maybe you do. You probably don't want to show a download button, and you probably don't want to limit the downloads or anything like that. So I think this looks pretty good here, and we will say insert the code. And so it's going to add all that little bit of code right here. For some reason my internet's super slow today, so it'll take a second here. Yep, looks like I got it all in there. Okay, so now I'm going to hit update. And let's go look at it. So I'm going to hit view page. And now there's this new little player here, the Roving Sea Chanty, and it just automatically starts playing. And then if you wanted to put something below it that says something more about the text, you're welcome to. So let's say if you edit the page, I would just put my cursor, actually it might be hard to put a cursor, I'm going to do it in here. And so you might we'll put a title there, and maybe we'll highlight it and make it italic, update that. Sorry, I was doing that in text mode. You probably want to see it in the visual mode. I was just putting the cursor, putting it right there. And now if we want to view the page, so now they have a little, you can put a little text there, and there it goes. And we might want a little more space between here and there. So maybe let's do that too. Let's add another, just add another return from where it, so see there's just not much space between the layer slider here and our new little thing. So I'm just going to add one more return. Hit update. See if that looks good. And I think that looks great. And there we have it. So then if you want to change the starting volume, you can do that in those settings, or if you want to change any other settings of it, but I think you're good to go. Thanks. Bye.